My name is Quin Acciani. I graduated from LIM in 2012, and I'm the Public Relations Director at Women's Wear Daily. LIM really gave me a lot of hands-on learning experience. I worked on our annual fashion show, which was a huge privilege. As a freshman, I was the Public Relations Director, which is very funny that that is my job title today. For my senior co-op, I interned in public relations at a PR firm called LIM & Co. I was actually hired there to come back and work post-graduation. Here at Women's Wear Daily, no 2 days are the same. I work with our amazing editorial team on supporting them in speaking engagements. WWD does about 12 summits per year where we bring together the titans of the industry, CEOs, designers, retailers, etc. These events are a huge part of our business here at Women's Wear Daily, and I support our events team with speakers and public relations for the events. I definitely love connecting with LIM students and sharing my experiences. If we are looking for volunteers for an event, they're the first people we call because we know they're going to be reliable, dependable, and professional. It's just great experiences.